Hytera PD482i-Uv Black. Tested on site. Clear audio, 16-hour battery, rugged dual-mode power. The call crackled right when instructions mattered most. I watched a security lead repeat himself 3 times while a crowd grew restless and impatient. Moments like that feel small until they aren't. Communication shouldn't be the weak link, yet cheap radios fail at the worst time. I've seen teams lose control fast. Sound familiar? Static builds stress you can almost feel in your chest. Missed words lead to missed moves, and missed moves become real consequences. A construction supervisor once told me a garbled transmission delayed a crane lift by 20 minutes. That's costly. Morale drops quietly, you start double-checking everything. But there is a smarter way forward. Don't just pick any two-way radio. Make sure it has dual-mode analog and DMR capability, so you never experience garbled, unreliable communication again. That realization led me to the Hytera PD482i-Uv Black. It bridges analog FM and digital DMR, which means you can upgrade without abandoning existing systems. The OLED display stays sharp in bright sun or low light, and the full keypad makes text messaging and front panel programming practical in the field. Simple things matter. With 4 watts on UHF and 5 watts on VHF, it delivers strong, stable output for indoor penetration or wider outdoor coverage. The audio is crisp, even around engines or crowd noise, thanks to solid filtering. Up to 256 channels and 16 zones let you separate teams clearly instead of stacking everyone onto one frequency. A busy event coordinator nearly missed a stage queue, but a quick group call and clear reply kept the... After a few weeks, the difference becomes your new normal. Teams stop repeating themselves. Shifts end without drained batteries or mystery dropouts. That consistency builds quiet confidence across departments. One communications reviewer described it to me as a mid-tier handheld that feels closer to commercial-grade gear than entry-level units, especially with its dual-mode flexibility and front panel programming. That flexibility matters. An event staff coordinator shared that even non-technical crew members adapted quickly because the menu structure felt logical and the keypad made contact selection straightforward. A construction supervisor told me their foremen, crane operators, and safety officers finally had clearly separated zones, reducing crosstalk and confusion. Clear lanes, clear responsibility. Some worry about setup complexity or the learning curve of DMR. Fair concern. In practice, once channels and talk groups are organized, daily use is simple, and many vendors include basic programming support to get you started. Compared to constantly replacing underperforming radios, the transition feels measured, not disruptive. You'll also notice more teams moving toward hybrid analog-digital systems for flexibility. Are you still relying on radios that hold you back? Long-term, this feels less like an upgrade and more like infrastructure. The Hytera PD482i-Uv Plus isn't about flashy extras. It's about stable, clear communication when timing matters. For security teams, site managers, and event crews, that reliability becomes a competitive advantage. Results may vary depending on your environment and setup, but the foundation is strong. More professionals are choosing dual-mode radios to future-proof their systems without overcomplicating them. Steady progress. If you're ready to communicate with more control and less stress, check the link in the description or pinned comment and explore the details. I think you'll feel the difference quickly.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.